Right, so hello Year 7 and welcome to the English Department's recording of The Gold of Lies. We'll start off by having everyone introduce themselves and who they are going to be playing. So if we start with Mr. Wynne.
This is Mr. Wynne and I will be playing the stranger.
Hello Year 7, Miss Price speaking. I will be playing the maidservant.
Mr. George next.
Hi, I'm Mr. George. I will be playing the innkeeper and also providing some stage instruction.
And Miss Morris.
Hello, I'm Miss Morris and I'll be playing the part of the innkeeper's wife.
And I'm Mr. Donovan and I will be playing the part of the thief. So if Mr. George can start us off.
The Gold of Lies, Scene 1. In front of an inn, there is a bench or something similar somewhere on stage.
I am a traveller. After a long journey across the mountains, I've arrived here in a country no one has ever visited before. Who knows what strange people and customs I may come across? I must be careful. But fortune has been kind to me. I found this lump of gold in the mountains, and when you've got gold, you can always get anything else you want. But since I've been here before, I cannot trust anyone. Who knows what villains and liars I might meet?
Hello? What's that you've got there?
She's seen my gold. Nothing at all.
Nothing? That's strange. I could have sworn I saw you holding something.
Well, yes, I was. It's gold, but I don't want anyone to know about it.
Gold?
Yes. See? I found it in the mountains, but don't tell anyone I've got it.
But suppose they ask me.
Say that you haven't seen anything.
But I did see it.
Yes, I know, but pretend that you didn't. Tell a lie.
Tell a lie? What's that?
Eh?
I've never heard of telling a lie before.
You've never heard of telling a lie?
No.
The girl's obviously a half-wit. It's perfectly simple. When you say something that isn't true, it's called telling a lie.
I thought it was called making a mistake.
No! It's making a mistake if you do it without meaning to. If you do it deliberately, then it's called telling a lie.
Deliberately making a mistake? But what's the point of that?
I've never met anyone so stupid. I really think she doesn't know what telling a lie is. Either that, or she's a very clever liar indeed. Never mind, it doesn't matter. Are you the maidservant at this inn here?
That's right.
Where's the innkeeper? I want a room for the night.
He's busy at the moment. He's having an argument with his wife.
No. How many times do I have to tell you?
All I want is a new dress.
You had a new dress 7 years ago. What's wrong with that one?
It isn't new anymore.
Well, you're not having another one, and that's final. I want a new coat. That's much more important. Who's this?
It's a stranger. He's been explaining to me about telling a lie.
Telling a lie? What's that?
Him as well.
I've never heard of telling a lie before.
Never mind. It's not important. Are you the innkeeper here?
That's right.
Oh, I'd like a room for the night.
Certainly.
I hope your locks are strong. I'm very worried about thieves.
Oh, there's no need to worry about that. If I see a thief, I'll come and warn you.
Well, that's very kind. But how will you know if he's a thief or not?
Oh, I'll ask him.
If he's a thief, he's hardly likely to tell you, is he?
They always do. Here comes somebody now. Excuse me, are you a thief?
Yes, I am actually.
There you are. You see, What are you doing round here?
Well, I've come to try and steal some of your beer.
Oh, yes. And how do you think you're going to do that?
I was going to wait until you weren't looking.
Oh,
That's clever.
yes, I hadn't thought of that.
They're mad. All of them.
We'll have to make sure we keep an eye on it. Now then, what was it you wanted? A room for the night?
That's right. How much would it cost?
Well, let me see now. What have you got?
I'll pay you in gold.
Gold?
That's right.
What's gold?
I've never heard of gold before.
What is the matter with you people? Haven't you heard of anything?
Meanwhile, the thief has stolen some bottles of beer while the innkeeper and his wife weren't paying attention. The innkeeper now notices. Wait a minute! Where's my beer gone?
Someone must have stolen it.
Here, you! Did you steal my beer?
Well, yes, I did. I told you I was going to.
Give it back.
All right.
And take that.
Ow!
We'd better put this inside where it's safe. Come along. Oh, excuse me a moment.
Of course.
The innkeeper and his wife and the maidservant go off with the beer.
Ah, well, you win some, you lose some.
You are the worst thief I have ever seen in my life.
Really? Well, most people think I'm rather good.
You are terrible. How do you expect to get away with it if you always tell people when you're going to steal something?
Well, but he asked me. What else could I have done?
Hasn't anyone in this country ever heard of telling a lie?
Telling a lie?
This is incredible. I've travelled all over the world. I've been to countries where the people eat each other, where they are so primitive that they've never discovered the wheel and never learned how to cook food. But never, in all my travels, have I come across people who didn't know how to lie.
But how do you lie?
Listen, the next time you steal something, if someone asks you if it was you, say no.
But that wouldn't be true.
Exactly. It's called telling a lie. It's very useful. Whenever someone wants to get himself out of trouble, or impress his friends, or cheat his enemies, he tells a lie. It never fails.
Let me get this straight. I steal something, but I say that I haven't.
That's right.
You know, you might be onto something there.
At last.
That's very clever. It's just what I need in my line of work. Did you think that up all by yourself?
Enter the innkeeper. Right, I've hidden that beer where you'll never find it.
Well, where have you put it?
In the cupboard under the stairs. Now then, you wanted a room, you said?
That's right.
So we've just got to settle how you're going to pay for it.
As I've said, I'll pay you in gold.
Well, I don't know what gold is. Have you got any cabbages?
Cabbages?
Rooms cost 10 cabbages a night, mind you. We've got rather a lot of cabbages at the moment. You haven't got a chicken by any chance? I mean, you can stay 2 nights for a chicken.
You don't know what gold is? What do you use for money?
Money?
Yes, money. How do you pay for things?
Well, as I was saying, if you haven't got any cabbages or chickens, I'll accept eggs, fish, saucepans.
But I've only got gold.
Oh, well. What is gold, anyway?
Look, I'll show you. This is gold. See?
Ooh, never seen anything like that before.
It seems to be some soft yellow metal.
Most peculiar. I don't think I want any of that, thank you.
No, nor me.
Don't want it? But it's gold.
Yeah, so you said, but what use is it? What can you do with it?
What can you do with it? You can do anything with gold.
Can you eat it?
Well, no, you can't eat it. But it's the most valuable thing in the world. Everybody wants gold.
Why?
Because It's so valuable. No matter what you might want, you can get it if you've got gold.
How?
You give it to people in exchange for things.
Things?
What, like cabbages and chickens and things?
Anything you like.
Seems like an unnecessarily complicated way of going about it. Who are these people who want gold so much?
Everybody I've ever met apart from you. Just take my word for it. People will do anything to get gold. They kill and cheat and scheme and grind their neighbors' faces in the dirt. They tell lies.
Tell lies?
Do people ever steal it?
They are always stealing it.
Really?
Gold is the most wonderful thing in the world. Rich misers gloat over it. Beautiful women adorn themselves with it. Great empires are built with it. Laborers work for it. Beggars beg for it. Thieves steal it. Everybody wants gold.
During this last speech, the thief sneaks up to the gold and steals it. No, I'm sorry, no cabbages, no room.
This is ridiculous. My gold! It's gone! Someone's stolen it!
It was probably the thief.
Here, you! You stole my gold, didn't you?
Me?
Yes, you!
No, I didn't.
What?
I didn't steal your gold.
That's a lie!
That's right, don't you remember? You're the one who taught me how to do it.
Give me my gold back.
But he says he hasn't got it.
He's lying.
Lying?
Look, gold doesn't just disappear.
Doesn't it? Well, I told you I don't know anything about gold. If it's as wonderful as you say, why shouldn't it be able to disappear?
He stole it. I'll make him give it back.
The stranger advances threateningly on the thief. The innkeeper moves between them. Leave him alone!
He stole my gold.
Well, he can't have done if he says he didn't. He should know.
He's telling lies.
I know what you are. You're a troublemaker. We don't like your sort round here.
What?
Well, just because he's a thief don't mean you can blame him for everything. Leave him alone. Go on. Go away.
All right. That's your attitude on going. You're all mad in this country anyway. But don't think that you'll get away with it. I'm not a man you can treat this way. My travels have taught me knowledge of strange matters and have given me strange powers. Since you've taken my gold, I'll put a curse on it.
Put a curse on it?
That's right. You wanted to learn to lie? Well, from now on, that gold will make people lie whether they want to or not. Whoever's got that gold will be unable to tell the truth. See how you like that? Now, I'm going back across the mountains to a country where people behave sensibly.
The stranger goes off. What an extraordinary fellow. What was he talking about? Telling lies? What on earth did he mean by telling lies?
I don't know.
Well, it doesn't matter. I've never heard such a fuss about nothing. As though anyone would want to steal a lump of yellow metal.
This must be my lucky day. I was a good thief before, but now that I know how to lie, there'll be no stopping me. Telling lies is the most wonderful thing I've heard of. The possibilities are endless, and he's cursed the gold so that you can't help but lie. It couldn't be better. I'll be able to lie without even trying. I must try it out to see if it works.
What have you got there?
Well, it's a rare breed of fish. It works.
A fish?
That's right.
Shouldn't you put it in some water?
No, it doesn't like water.
What a strange fish. It looks just like the stranger's gold. Where did you get it?
It was growing on that tree over there. Very good. I'd never have thought of that on my own. The stranger was right. Gold is a wonderful thing.
He's acting very oddly.
Are you still here? What are you hanging about for? You haven't been stealing my beer again, have you?
Oh, yes, I have.
What?
That was a stupid thing to say. What did I say that for?
You stole my beer?
That's right. I've done it again.
How dare you? Take that!
Ow!
and give it back.
Perhaps lying isn't such a good idea as I thought. I'd better stop doing it.
Come on, do you want me to hit you again?
Yes, I do. Ow! I can't seem to stop myself.
But he hasn't stolen any beer. I've just checked it. There's none missing.
Isn't there?
Go and see for yourself.
But then why did he say he stole it?
He's acting very oddly.
Well, I'd better make sure it's all there, and you want it inside. My wife's getting ready to go to market.
There's obviously more to lying than I realized. It can get you into trouble if you're not careful. Gold may be wonderful stuff, but it can be dangerous if you're not used to it. I'd better get rid of it before I get into any more trouble.
She was right. You haven't stolen any. I don't know what you were going on about.
Well, we can't be bothered with him. It's time to go to market. I want you to carry the shopping.
Ah, right. But you needn't think I'm going to buy you a new dress.
I know better than to expect you to buy anything. Here, take the shopping bag.
She gives him a large shopping bag, unseen by either the thief, puts the gold in the bag. The maidservant enters just in time to see him do this.
Now come along, we don't want to be late.
What did you do that for?
What?
You put that fish of yours in his shopping bag.
It isn't a fish. It's the stranger's gold. I had to get rid of it, you see. It makes you tell lies.
Tell lies?
Yes, it's very clever, but I haven't quite got the hang of it yet.
I know about telling lies. The stranger told me about it. But why did you put the gold in his bag? What's going to happen when he starts telling lies?
That's what I want to find out. Let's go to the market.